So in this video we are gonna talk about how we can install Google Chrome in any Linux operating system. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Now open your start menu and type Firefox and press enter. This would be the default browser for almost any Linux operating system. Now type download Google Chrome and press enter. Now you can see the result. Click on download now button. Google Chrome will automatically detect your operating system and it will give you package accordingly. For Ubuntu and Debian system, you can select first option and click accept and install. Now save your file. Click on OK. Now your downloading will be started. As you can see, it is downloading our package. Meanwhile, if you are enjoying this video, please like and subscribe our channel for more interesting content. Our downloading is almost finished. I will click on show all downloads. Here you can see our package is downloaded. Now the next step is open your download folder. Now right click here and open terminal. Here we have to type sudo space dpkg space -i space we have to provide the name of package that you have downloaded. In this case it is Google Chrome stable current version. Press enter. You have to provide your root password and press enter. It will start installing our package. Wait for it. It will hardly take 10 to 20 seconds to complete. As you can see, it is almost done and it is finished. Now you can go to the start menu to check whether it is installed or not. Click on start menu and type Chrome. As you can see, Chrome is completely installed. Click on it and you can see it is completely running, and you can type anything you want and it is showing result perfectly. Thank you very much for watching our video and have a nice day.